Hiding or showing elements is something that we might often encounter in modern web applications. For example, we might display a form modal when a button is clicked, or hide it when other element being clicked. We might also display a message when no data is found, or hide it if no record found, without need to reload the page, and much more. Vue.js provides a mechanism for showing or hiding elements based on certain conditions. The first one is Vue directive. The Vue will add or remove element in the DOM conditionally. It will add an element where it's defined when it evaluates to true, or it will remove the element dynamically if it evaluates to false. Alright, let's open conditional rendering1.html. And here we have a message. You have no any records, and a hide message button. We'll hide this message, or remove the message by precise, if the hide message button is clicked. Let's switch over to our editor, then open conditional rendering1.html, and here's the message that will be hidden. So here we can say Vue equals, and then pass in a value. Let's say hide alert. Now we can go to View option, then define data property. Inside here, let's define hide alert property, and it will be true by default. Actually, let me just change the name to show alert, because I think it's more descriptive. Let's save, and let's make sure that the message still appears. Okay, in this button, let's define an event handling by making use of the onClick directive. Then inside here, let's change the show alert to false. Save, back to our browser, and let's see. Now if I click the hide message button, now the message disappears. So by changing the show alert to false, this alert will be hidden because the condition in Vue directive is not met. In the real cases, we usually show this kind of message if there's no record found, or hide it when record found. For example, here we can check if the record is empty records.length, and show alert is true, then we show the alert. So in other words, the alert will be hidden if the data is not empty, or if we click the hide message button. Now in the data property, we can define a new property, records, which is an empty array. In practice, we can fill these records with the real data that we retrieve from the backend API through Ajax. Let's see. Here the alert still appears. Now we can try to hit the hide message button, and now it's gone. Now if we fill this records property with any data, save, now the alert will be disappears.